Over in customs, Hamid thinks that a dried octopus and bizarre drawings in a passenger's luggage could be sinister and destined for black magic.
And from Sahlalat? For flu? Not to the...
These things are not usual. When you see these kind of things, you can't read it and don't know how to read these ones. This is black magic.
The passenger is from Tanzania in East Africa, where traditional medicine and Islam are entwined. Healers often write a holy verse in ink and dissolve it in water for their patient to drink or wash with the word of God, Allah.
Variety. With this water, I'm drinking my wash.
It's not mainstream Islamic practice.
I know not Quran. I know it's not Quran. I'm not understand for what.
It's right. The water.
You cannot go into the bathroom after?
Yeah.
Huh? It is good? It is also good?
Good.
It's something bad, not good.
The passenger seems to be suggesting it's a laxative remedy. The maid thinks it's sinister.
That one is 1%, but you make it half. Half right, half why? Why? You want to kill him, yani, half?
But it's the writing in the notebook that really offends Hamid.
This Quran Karim.
This is Quran?
It's Quran Karim.
None of that. It's not Quran. That one is not Quran.
This is not Quran. Yeah.
I know that.
From...
Don't say that because that one is not Quran.
It's not Quran, yeah.
It is in Islam, we have our God, Allah. He write here, Allah, Allah, Allah. But we don't have something like that in Islam. In Islam is bad, that one.
Practicing black magic and misuse of the Quran is illegal in the United Arab Emirates. Last year, Hamid and his team seized more than 1,000 items like these.
If you enter here to Dubai, that one is not allowed inside here. In our rules here, it's not allowed.
The banned items are confiscated.
Black magic is not allowed here in Dubai. We will destroy that things, of course, here, and we will send back the passenger to his country. He will not enter to Dubai. Well,